Alright, so here's just a quick snippet of kind of the process that I took. It was really simple, nothing spectacular. I think if you were going to use it in like a small space, maybe the sticky that it comes with would be enough. But because I wanted this to kind of be more permanent or semi-permanent, I did use the liquid nails, but I mean, it was pretty sticky. I just didn't think it would hold up, to being in the kitchen and the heat or whatever. So I just wanted to make sure I had a little bit more security back there. So you could probably judge for yourself if you buy them whether you need the liquid glue or liquid nails or some kind of adhesive on the back or not, just depending on the space that you're going to use it in and, you know, how well, you think it's going to stick to the surface. This was tile already, so that's why I used the liquid nails. But it was pretty simple. Put the glue, and take the little sticky thing out, put the glue on there, and put it up. And then I had to cut some pieces. And like I said in my review, you have to use some glue or something for the little spall for the insides of it. So, and here's how it looks.